Hello, Windows enthusiasts. Welcome back to Cyber Fueled IT. Today, we're going to be diving into the world of Windows 10 and Windows 11. Today, I'm on Windows 11, and we're going to be covering the top 5 keyboard shortcuts that I think will elevate your productivity to new heights. So, whether you're a seasoned user or just getting started, I think these shortcuts are sure to make your experience smoother and faster. So, we're going to dive right in. So, the first one that I have on the list here is the Windows Snap feature. If you are not familiar with the Windows Snap feature, this is a way to organize your open windows. So by using the Windows key in combination with your arrow keys, you can snap an active window to the side that you need. So if you hit the left arrow key and then go to the right arrow key, as you can see on the screen here, it snaps from left to right. The down arrow key and the up arrow keys do the same exact thing. If you double click, it brings it back to the center, or it'll swap it to the other side. So play around, figure out which one works best for you. But it's very easy to be able to, I got to snap something to the left or I got to snap something to the right. It makes it very quick to do. The second button that I have here is what's known as the task view. Now, the task view allows you to basically see what you have open at the same time and you can switch through them, right? Very similar to Alt Tab, right? You can pick through that. This one is going to be a little bit deeper. So if you hit the Windows key and the Tab key, here you get the task across the bottom, but you also get the desktops that you have at the bottom as well. So for those that don't know, in Windows 11, you're able to make multiple desktops as you go across. So you can pick the tasks that you want, like go into computer management here, or if I want to go into settings, I can easily switch back and forth. Now, desktops here do the same exact thing. You're able to create a new desktop and then switch to that open workspace for you. So the next one that we have are virtual desktops. Now, this is something from a multitasking perspective, which is great. So you can have one desktop that it has certain activities or tasks on it, and then another one with completely separate. And you can have quite a few of these as well. It's a pretty big game changer for Windows 11. They didn't offer this in Windows 10. So if you want to create a new virtual desktop, you just do the Windows key, Control and D, and as you can see, it's created desktop 3 for me. If I want to do it again, here's desktop 4. So now, how do we go back to them and take a look at what desktops that we have? Well, that goes back to our previous one, the Windows key and tab. So when I click Windows key and tab down on the bottom, I have desktop 1, desktop 2, desktop 3, and desktop 4. So these are the ones you can actually go to and see exactly what it is. And again, Windows key and tab lets you switch between each one, and that gives you a pretty good flexibility for multiple workspaces. Now let's talk about quick settings. So Windows 11 brings a simplified way to access key systems right from your desktop. So by pressing the Windows key and A to open the quick settings, here you can toggle various items such as Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, the nightlight accessibility. It's a very quick way instead of you have to digging through traditional options. So again, Windows key and A brings up that option for you. You can check different displays out. You can mute or unmute, whatever you need to do. And for my last keyboard shortcut, I am going to go with the Windows key, Shift key, and the S key. And what that is going to do is that is going to bring up the Windows snippet tool. So what will happen is you will get a snippet box that pops up here where you can do free roams or rectangle tools. And basically the screen is frozen behind. So you're going to go ahead and select the item that you want. Like let's say I want to get a screenshot of this how to cook prime rib. What it will do is it will take a snippet of that and I will get a pop-up here in the right-hand corner that will show the snip has been copied to my clipboard and I can go ahead and make annotations here. So it's very basic for the most part, but if I want to highlight certain things, I'm able to do that. If I want to draw on it and I want to circle certain things, I'm able to do that. So it gives you a very quick way to take a snapshot or a snip of something, or make a collage. That way you can take quick snippets of stuff. And this actually works inside of applications as well. So if you wanted to take a quick snippet on a game or, within a certain application, you can do that as well. Just go ahead and hit the Windows key, the Shift, and the S key as in Sam, and that will give you the snippet option. And there you have it. So those are the top 5 keyboard shortcuts that I use in Windows 11 to help improve my productivity. I've incorporated most of these into my daily routine, and honestly, I think these are some of the greatest ones to have out there. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel for more Windows tips. We're going to have more to come. And let me know in the comments which shortcuts you find the most useful. Until next time, happy computing.